Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can add a video for every Woocommerce product page in WordPress. So let's get started. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click on Plugins and then click on Add New. Now in the search bar, type Woocommerce Product Video or Product Featured Video Gallery. Install and activate any plugin that allows you to add videos to your Woocommerce products, for example. Product Video Gallery for Woocommerce is a great free option. Once it's activated, go to Products, then All Products, and click Edit on the product where you want to add a video. Now, scroll down to the Product Data section or Product Image area. You'll see a new option to add a video URL or upload a video file. If your video is on YouTube or Vimeo, just paste the video link there. After that, click Update or Publish, and your video will now appear on that product page, usually next to the product image or in the gallery section. Repeat the same steps for every product you want to have a video. And that's it. Now you know how to add videos for all your Woocommerce product pages in WordPress to make your store more engaging and professional. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.